Gukinyeria rucini rwa Jumatatu ya kiumia giki, thirikari irikitie guthima andu makiria ma 4,000 kurora kana mena murimu wa COVID-19 na moimirira ni ati andu 158 nio mena murimu uyu guku bururi-ini, 6 nio makuite, 8 makahona. No rurenda rwa kuria arwaru aya manyitire murimu uyu aingi maria kuuma Nairobi, Kwale, Mombatha na Kilifi niruo ruguciriirie maitho ma thirikari na bata wa kugathika mawatho meru ma kugiririria murimu uyu ndugathereme makiria.
That there shall be cessation of all movement by road, rail or air in and out of A, the Nairobi metropolitan area, and B, the counties of Kilifi, Kwale, and Mombasa. Within the Nairobi metropolitan area shall be for an initial containment period of 21 days with effect from 7 p.m. Monday, the 6th of April, 2020. That is today.
Thirikari igitariria mafu ya Nairobi yugite ati gicunji kia matura ma kaunti iri ikuhiriria mucii munene megutarwo ta me Nairobi. Kaunti-ini ya Kiambu, Rui rwa Chania, matura ma Rironi, Ndendero na Kiambu tauni megutarwo ta me Nairobi. Kaunti-ini ya Machakos, matura ma Athi River na Katani nimo mekuhakania Machakos na Nairobi. Kuri mafu ino njeru ya Nairobi rungu rwa mawatho meru ma kung'ethanira na murimu wa COVID-19, kaunti ya Kajiado ihothete matura ma Kitengela, Kiserian, Ongatarongai na Ngong'u.
These additional measures do not in any way vary the existing restrictions and measures, including the daily nationwide curfew from 7 p.m. to 5 a.m. in the entire territory of the Republic of Kenya.
No athoyu ndukuhutio kuina ukinyaniria wa motungata ma bata na irio. No ndereba wa ngari ya irio agiriire gukorwo ari woike riria ari barabara-ini na riria ena ateithiriria othe makorwo na marua ma kuonania ati mwene njira ya ukui iria marahuthira ni amoi.
I issue these enhanced measures well aware that they will complicate and inconvenience many Kenyans. However, by not doing so, this can only lead to even greater suffering for the people of Kenya.
Thirikari no itikirite ati utarani uria yamukirite kuma kuri maabitha ugima wa mwiri ukindirite ati uhuthiri wa maski ni urateithiriria kuhotomia gutherema kwa murimu wa COVID-19 na nikio yugite ati kumanagia na riu hindi ciothe mundu ari muingi-ini agiriire gukorwo ari na maski no ikirigirira ati athondeki a maski mahota kuongerereka na njira nene. Ministry ya iganda yathitwe thurime na kinyi muthondekere wa maski iria cikuingira thoko-ini.
And in the same breath also urge our law enforcement officers and agencies to be mindful and sensitive as they enforce this curfew and the additional measures that we have taken today. However, I must continue to emphasize that we shall remain firm and fair, but we will strictly abide by the dictates of the law.
Thirikari yugite ati mawatho maya marega kuruta wira ndigukorwo na wa gwika o tiga kugatha mucibi o ringi nginyagia riria bara ya COVID-19 guku bururi-ini ikahotanwo. Ngiributira Inooro TV. Njĩtagwo Waweru wa Nyambura.